Good morning, guys. Not quite sure if you could see me well. I'm tired. Good morning, guys. It's Thursday, December 3rd, and today I'm a vlog for you guys. I'm gonna try to challenge myself to try to vlog all the way throughout this month. I know the whole trend of Vlogmas, but we're gonna do it a little bit different. I will be vlogging. I don't really celebrate the holidays big like other people, so you guys are just gonna see what I do for the holidays. You guys are gonna follow me. I'm gonna give you guys updates, give you guys videos. I'm sorry I look like this. I probably look rough. I am running off of 3 hours of sleep. I feel like my voice is soon gonna start to crumble. I just feel so tired and so drained because I have so much work to do. And I feel like I don't have enough time in my day to get everything done, but I need to get everything done. Like, I cannot have any excuses. I need to focus on what I need to get done. So right now we're gonna head over to my mom's house. I haven't ate anything. I don't want to eat anything. I'm just gonna be drinking water because I am on a celery cleanse and I'm on day 9th, which I will be uploading. Sorry, I was getting my little socks. I will be uploading my 7-day celery cleanse and tell you guys exactly how that went, what exactly happened with details and everything. So stick around to see that. It's actually pretty interesting to see how that affected me. So pretty soon I will be uploading that for you guys. But we are gonna head to my mom's house. Be super quick. I'm tired. I want to come back. I need to get my work done. So we're gonna go do that and then come and then power out some work. So I just arrived to my mom's house. By the way, a cool little fun fact, my mom actually moved. So we're at her new house. I'll give you guys like a small little tour. Here we go. She still only lives 5 minutes away, so it's pretty nice that I have her super close. So for some odd reason, my audio just cut off. But I basically just come in the house, say hi to my mom, show you guys a little quick tour, but I'll show you guys later on in the video because I do end up coming back. So I ended up leaving and I went to the bank and ran some errands. So we're going to head to that clip. Guys, do you ever feel like there's not enough time in the day to get everything done? Like, I still have to, like, I'm on my way to Walmart now. I just went to the bank and then I have to go to my other bank and then I have to go pay the water bill. I have so much I need to get done. Have to put Emery, for school. She has to do her school. While she's doing her school, I will be doing work on the computer. Guys, I have like a list of stuff I need to get done. Emery, you gonna say something?
Merry Christmas.
Jeez. Yeah, but man, this day goes by fast. It's almost 10 already. It's 9:40. It's 9:40. I can't even speak. It's 9:54. We came for one thing only. In and out. In and out.
My mom's getting 3, 4 celery.
We're gonna do 4. Yeah, let's go.
I want to get lemon. I need lemon. We need a lemon and apples.
Oh, I didn't get lemon and apple. You want lemon?
Yeah.
We're gonna get a lemon for her because she likes her fruit.
I like lemon and my celery juice. It's so good.
I'm moving it too much.
You guys could go to Walmart and buy the celery juice. If you don't have apples, get apples. If you don't have lemon, just get apples. Transaction.
Okay, so we just added another stop to our list. I am gonna stop by Best Buy because I need to buy a charger for my car to always just keep it in here, because I constantly go from my charger goes from like my house to my car to my office, and it's just going too much back and forth. So I want to specifically buy one for my car, and yeah, I really need it. I really need it. I want to show you guys what I ended up getting from Best Buy. I got the stuff that I needed, like the power car charger, the port, a little connector for this that I got here, and then I got this. So I'm gonna actually charge my iPad. Hold on. Not my iPad, I meant to say my AirPods. So this is actually really cool. It has a tripod, and then it has a mic, and you attach it to your iPhone. So I'm excited to use this because, well, first of all, this brand, I love this brand. Second of all, because I kind of want to see if this ups like my whole iPhone recording. I'm recording on my iPhone right now, and the reason why is because my camera I needed to change my camera battery was kind of low. Now we got Emery narrating the story, y'all. You guys know, I feel like I'm always recording with you guys, and I always just go to Best Buy every time I'm recording. But let's see if this ups it. Ooh. Guys, this thing was honestly kind of pricey in my opinion, but ooh, I like the grip. I like how it feels. It's a lot smaller than my other Joby tripod, which is kind of like it. Comes with the mic. I hope this works good. We'll see the difference soon, guys. Comes with the things to attach it. Shake the camera too much. What else does it come with? I think this goes here. What is this? Okay guys, I hope this upped the audio quality. I'm using the tripod right now, and I have the, what is it called? The mic on it. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this is super lightweight. I feel like it's so convenient because now it's like a tripod for my phone, which is super convenient in my opinion. So I just got home. I'm gonna continue recording on my iPhone 12, but we're gonna make my celery juice. This is day 9, yay, of me juicing, and I'm feeling great, y'all. I will be posting that video for you guys soon, so stay tuned. Guys, I actually really love this tripod, like this whole, I love it. So I realized I'm not doing such a great job vlogging for you guys, but to be honest, nothing has changed, nothing exciting is going on. I'm just sitting here in my office doing my work. I'm editing a wedding that I shot, and then I'm over here homeschooling my daughter at the same time. So we're over here just both working, as you guys can see, trying to get stuff done. I want to finish these pictures for my client so I can send them to her, and then I plan to either go to the gym depending on the time because it's already 2:20. Hit the gym for a little And then I will come home, cook some dinner, work a little more, and probably clean up the house and then just go to sleep. So let's do that, guys. Let's do that. Let's do that. You want to say something to that, Emery? Okay, change of plans. I'm not going on Popeyes anymore. My dad was like, he saw me going out the house. He was like, where are you going? I was like, I'm going to Popeyes. I'm hungry. He was like, oh no, Cindy, you really got a problem if you have to run to Popeyes. Just cook something. And it's kind of true. I cannot be running to Popeyes just because I don't feel like I feel like I don't have time to cook.
Could you please open
I can cook. But I'm going to make something. I'm not going to go out. I'm not going to get Popeyes. I work too hard at the gym anyway, so I guess he's kind of right. Let's see. So I quickly just heated up some lentil beans, and then my dad had some leftover eggs that he made, and then I just put 2 little jalapenos. So I guess I'll eat and get more work done, which kind of makes sense. I'm just disappointed I'm not eating a Popeye's chicken sandwich, right? But gotta sacrifice, right? I need to cut those habits out. And then I got like a little snack size of the Ritz cracker. And then I got my salsas right here. Oh, let me read you guys. So it says, 0 sugar, gluten-free, kosher, no GMOs, no high fructose corn syrup, no preservatives, no artificial flavors or colors, proven in 6 published university studies. How does it work? It's healthy energy, accelerates metabolism, burns fat. They recommend that you drink this before a workout. So I am going to work out probably. Oh, snaps. I think the workout is in. I think I'm going to go work out very soon. I'm just going to eat this and go work out actually. So I'm going to eat, do a little bit of work. And then at 4:30, I'm going to go to the class to work out. I'm going to do a tone. So it's going to tone. So it's actually perfect timing. I'm actually glad I didn't go to Popeyes. Eat this and head to the gym. Emery, grab 2, please. Let's go, guys. I thought I'd turn this car on.
So my mom's here drinking the energy drink. Oh, look at this one now.
Okay, Emery, don't check the camera too much.
Look. Okay, you guys, if you guys went to that gym right there, I can't see it.
Guys, the gym is so close to me. You guys are about to see it.
So close. I'm serious. It's so close to being like, oh, this is our...
I just got to the gym, guys. We're about to work out. Got my bands, my weight plates, my drink, sanitizing, COVID season. So the workout is complete, guys. Guys, that workout was pretty tough. I'm gonna head over to my mom's house. She made soup, so I'm gonna eat soup. Then I'm gonna head home and crush out work. Finish editing the wedding and then edit the video and then I'll go to sleep. Probably be in bed by like 2, honestly. The chef cooked Diga hola, doña Jimena. She chefed it up. They made soup. Let's see. Ooh, that looks delicious. So I ended up staying to eat dinner and then help them around the house for a little bit. I left around 10 at night, went home, took a shower, got ready for bed, put Emery to sleep, then came back, did some working on the computer. I did record a super funny little home tour of my mom's house. However, I'm having trouble uploading it. So another time you guys will see that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a blessed and a beautiful day, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.